Welcome back, ladies. It's your girl Hypnotic Lady, and I'm jumping right into the video. The company I will be working with today is WigginsHair. This is the packaging they sent me, my wig information. I got a cute little leopard print silk or satin headscarf, another print scarf. They sent me some mink 3D lashes, a wig cap. I also got an elastic band, and of course my little silk or satin handbag so I can store my wig later on when I'm done, put it up in the bag, and we good to go. Now, this is their hair. This is WigginsHair HD Lace Loose Deep Wave Wig. It did come in 28 inches and 200 density. This is a 13x6 lace front, and I did go ahead and bleach and pluck the knots offline and add in my elastic band to do the glueless method. Now, I'm going to go in with my NK pressed powder in the color maple, and I'm just going to put that all over my lace and a little bit on my cap. Once we do that, we're going to get ready to pop this sucker on. Y'all, this install was super easy. I enjoy the elastic band method because I don't have to worry about putting glue on or no adhesive spray, no even lace spray or anything like that. This is really for quick on the go. You don't have time to do your hair and put down glue and all of that. You just want something quick and easy. And now I'm going to go in and cut off my excess lace. And if you guys want to see how I achieve the glueless look or the headband method, just go click my last video, my last upload, because that is definitely worth watching. But as you guys can see, I'm going to go in and cut off the excess lace with my eyebrow razor. And I'm just starting on one side and then moving my way to the other. If you see any extra lace by your ear, like how it is right here, just go in with a pair of cuticle scissors and we're going to cut that like so. Once I get that cut, I'm going to lay everything flat. And I just want to show you guys how seamless it does look without it being glued down. You don't need adhesive for it to look seamless. This is the lace with it down, 100% down. And it's so neat and nice. Y'all, like, tell me that's not my hair. Then I lift it up. You see, I don't have a ball cap or anything up under, and it's still giving scalp. So I'm going to repeat the same process on the other side, get all the excess lace off, and then once that's done, I'm going to go in with my Nutrients wax stick, smooth out any lumps, humps, or bumps or anything. I want it to look as flat as possible, and then I'm going to use my hot comb. Be careful not to burn yourself because I've done that plenty of times. But yeah, once I get this lace cut, I'm going to go in with my Nutrients wax stick, do me a part. We're going to bust that down, make everything nice and flat. Don't be scared to cut off your excess lace with your scissors too. Like, once I got everything cut, I was still looking and I could see like little rolls at the top where the lace was flipped up. And instead of me just trying to lay that down, I just went ahead and cut it off because I felt like it was flipping up because it was just excess lace that I didn't need anyway. But I'm going to go in and lay everything down and pull out my little sideburns. I didn't really want to do any baby hairs because I wanted to show you guys that you can achieve a seamless, no baby hair look and it be 100% glueless, no adhesive at all. But like I said, I did do my sideburns because I mean, I wanted to, you know. I'm going to use this 24-hour holding spray that I just picked up from my local beauty supply store, and I'm going to spray a little bit on my eyebrow spoolie and lay down my sideburns. I didn't want them glued down like, you know, how I regularly do my baby hairs, which is why I use this 24-hour hold spray. I planned on taking my wig off at night, so of course I didn't want my baby hairs stuck or glued to my face, and the lace isn't even glued down. But as you guys can see, once I get those smoothed out and laid down correctly, I'm not going to do anything crazy. I want it to look as natural as possible. So I'm just trying to mimic how my natural sideburns look. And then I see I had like a little extra string from where I sewed in my band. I'm going to just cut that off with my scissors, get that out the way. And once we do that, I'm going to go in and show my parting space. I am going to be doing just a middle part just to show you guys the 13x6, the versatility in the lace, and how deep you can do your parting spaces. Yeah, y'all, I'm over here rambling. Once that's done, I just want to show you guys this is 100% glueless. You can run your comb from edge to edge. I didn't glue this down at all, and this is what we're looking like. It's definitely giving scalp. Now, I want to show you guys how to correct your roots if you over bleach them or if you over process your hair. It's not something that's not uncommon. It happens all the time, and there's nothing wrong with that. Now, this is what the hair looks like. You can definitely see the bleach got on my hair and turned my roots blonde. I'm going to go in with my Clear Raw Root Touch-Up Spray in the shade black, and you can get this on Amazon for $12.99. And here I'm just showing you guys, focusing on the container so you guys can see. Y'all can screenshot, freeze the video, whichever one you want to do, but I just want to show you guys. I'm going to take this, and it's like a paintbrush, kind of. You don't want to bear down too hard or get it on your lace. And just go in light strokes where your hair starts. And you'll see what I'm talking about as I do the other side. You already see how it's coming in. And just go back over wherever the bleach got on top of the lace. And then after that, I'm going to go in with a rat tail comb or just any comb and comb that through the hair and use my blow dryer to dry it as well, because this is transferable and you will get it on your hands if you don't let it dry. So yeah, now once I've done that, I'm going to run my comb through the hair just so I can try to spread the dye out evenly and make sure everything's all nice and even on both sides, and using the blow dryer to make sure everything's dry. And then I'm going to go back in with my LA Pro Girl concealer just to define my part, clean everything up, make it all nice and neat. And then we are going to get into detangling and defining the curl pattern of this hair. I am going to go in with my Nutrients wax stick and lay everything down. Y'all make sure y'all lay that wig down. Lay it down. You want it flat line, like you out of breath. Okay. And I did show you guys my hot comb is the brand Hot and Hotter. I got this from my local beauty supply store as well for $14.99. You can just check your local beauty supply store to see if they have a hot comb. I'm pretty sure they do. Like I said, whether it's Conair or Hot and Hotter, whichever one you prefer. But yeah, once I do that and smooth everything out, I'm going to go in and start defining my hair with a little bit of water and a little bit of mousse, and that will be the finished look. So this is what your lace should look like once you've gone in and corrected your roots where you've over bleached them. And now I'm going to go in with my LA Pro Girl concealer in the color medium beige, and I'm just going to run this down my part just to clean everything up, make everything nice and neat. And once I get through with that, like I said, I'm going to go in with my spray bottle, and I just used regular water. I didn't put any heavy products or anything in the hair because I wanted this to be as natural looking as possible. So I just made it do what it do. Okay, once you get that scalp, that part looking like scalp, I'm gonna take my water bottle and spray down both sides. You don't want to drench it and get it soaking wet where it's dripping, but get it wet enough to where you can define the curl pattern and make it look nice and neat. And I'm just going to go in with a wide tooth comb and comb that through, and just use your spray bottle and your wide tooth comb until you get the desired look of what you're going for with your curls or whatever. I'm going to do this on one side and then repeat the process on the other side. But as you guys can see, I got it more defined. It's not all big and poofy, and my top is super flat, which is what I want. Now I'm going to come back with a headband, just a cute little accessory to make it do what it do, and that will wrap this video up. I do want to show you guys in slow-mo how thick and full this hair is. You cannot see through this hair at all. It is true to length and true to density. Wiggins Hair did the damn thing with this 200 density. Y'all look at this hair. Look at the flow. And I didn't put anything in it but water. I didn't put no mousse in it. I didn't put no oil in it. No oil sheen. None of that. I just put water, and this is what the natural texture looks like fresh out the box. Nothing done to it other than putting water on it. And I love it. I am obsessed. Get into it. Now, this is the finished look, y'all. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Please give me a thumbs up. Tell me what you guys think. If you guys want to know where I got my headband from, I did get that off of Amazon as well. I can leave a link below. But get into this hair, baby. Get into it. I just want to show you guys the back angle, because not too many YouTubers show the back of their wigs, and I don't know why, but I'm trying to get more into being better and just making sure I'm going all out for you guys, and you guys get to see everything. This hair is true to length. I am 5 foot even, and the hair came past my butt. I would say to the middle of my butt. And I'm little. I'm real petite, small. So this length goes a long way for me. And it's super, super full. You cannot see through my wig. You cannot see, even at the bottom, you can't see through the hair. Like, it's super, super full. And that's what I love. Like, Wiggins hair, you did the damn thing. Come through. Y'all, look at that body. Look at that body. Shake it. Yes, honey, I love it. This is going to be one of my go-to wigs for this summer and spring. I'm already knowing. But this is the finished look. Y'all, get into it, get into it, get into it. And again, this is Wiggins hair. This is their HD lace, 13 by 6 lace front. It did come in 28 inches. 200 density, and I did pre-pluck. Well, it did come pre-plucked, but I did go ahead and pluck and bleach the knots off camera. But I am in love, y'all. This wig is not glued down at all, and it's giving me scalp. Like, I did the no baby hair look, and it's definitely giving what it's supposed to give. Like, big forehead, all scalp. Don't play with me. Skin only, baby. We don't do no lace over here, okay? No, I'm just playing. But y'all get the idea. You get the gist. If you guys like this video, please give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Y'all, don't forget to hit that bell. Hit the bell so you guys can get post notifications when I drop a new video. And I'll see you guys later. Mwah.